There are a ton of quality earbuds on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best earbuds available right now. I made this list based on sound quality, features, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget option with exceptional frequency response or one featuring industry-leading active noise cancellation, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Vunex Sound Element Duo. These are our best budget earbuds. There's a lot of cheap earbuds on the market, but if you're looking for something that's going to give you better frequency response, all-day wear fit and comfort, and extended battery performance, then the Vunex Sound Element Duo delivers on features that matter the most at a very enticing budget price. Currently priced under $50, the Element Duo offers excellent value without many compromises to keep its price point low, especially when it comes to its sound quality. You'll find it produces rich, warm tones. There's a heavy bass presence, but it's not overpowering, the highs are clear, and the mids are full with vocals that are quite detailed. It's not audiophile quality, but it certainly rivals sound performances of much more expensive earbuds. Unfortunately, there's no app support, so you won't be able to customize the sound, but it has a well-balanced sound profile that works well across various music genres, and even podcasts and audiobooks sound natural and clean. The Element Duos fit securely in your ears, creating a nice natural feel that's comfortable enough for all-day wear. Plus, you'll actually be amazed just how much ambient noise is blocked even without active noise cancellation. The key features are CVC noise isolation. Works well with the mic being able to isolate your voice for clear calls. Voice Assistant. Easily activate your phone's assistant with on-ear touch controls. Feature-rich charging case. Features a front battery status display with magnetic closure, and the charging case can double as a power bank and can be recharged wirelessly, something you don't see at these prices. Battery. 5 hours of continuous playback, plus get up to 100 hours total with additional charges from the charging case. If you're searching for budget earbuds, the Vunex Sound Element Duo really stands out from the flood of cheap earbuds. You get a comfort, sleek, quality-sounding product with better frequency response that rivals sound performances of earbuds above its class. It's the most likely choice for most casual listeners and a great budget option. The 4th product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These are our best value earbuds. If you're looking for great sounding earbuds for about $100, then the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus may be one of your best options. Currently priced at $110, the true wireless Galaxy Buds Plus delivers dynamic sound, a quality build, and the Galaxy Wearables app gives you versatile customization options, including custom EQ settings. It doesn't have active noise cancellation like the fancier Galaxy Buds Live, but it still has a lot going for it, including delivering more accurate sound than the Buds Live, even though both are tuned by AKG. The Buds Plus also features a dual driver system using discrete woofers and tweeters, so the audio is excellent and really makes vocals come through clearly, which the dynamic drivers of the Buds Live just can't compete with. The Buds Plus also features best-in-class battery performance lasting well over 11 hours on a single charge, more than doubling the Buds Live. So despite not having active noise canceling, the Buds Plus more than makes up for that omission. Plus, you'll find they have a more consistent noise isolation even without the ANC. The key features are great app, easy customization and user enhancements with the new dedicated Buds Plus app. Spotify integration. Seamless integration so you can control Spotify directly from the touch-sensitive panels. Microphones. Dedicated internal and 2 external microphones pick up your voice and isolate it from outside noises for crystal clear calls. Battery. Up to 11 hours of playtime with an additional 11 plus hours from its charging case. If you're looking for the best earbud performance for about $100 and you'd rather have better sound quality over noise cancellation, then the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are priced affordably, but their sound performance, features, in-app customization, and extended battery life is easily comparable to the more premium brands, making them a great option for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Beats Powerbeats Pro. These are our best earbuds for workouts. If you're looking for one of the best earbuds for intense workouts or runs, then the Beats Powerbeats Pro is a perfect choice for your active lifestyle. Currently priced at $170, the Powerbeats Pro stays firmly in place so you can sprint, leap, and even flip without worrying about them falling out. It features a distinct, flexible, over-the-ear hook design that makes it feel almost weightless. They deliver high-performance audio with dynamic range and driving bass to keep your adrenaline flowing. You'll notice that they're not quite at a flat EQ, but you'll find instead a nice V-shape that boosts the highs and bumps up the lows for a heavier bass sound with a slight recess on the mids. Unfortunately, due to the nature of the design, the noise isolation is weaker than in-ear designs. Even if you don't work out extensively, the lightweight Powerbeats Pro is great for just casual use, especially for people that have a hard time finding in-ear buds that fit properly. The key features are comfort and security. The flexible over-the-ear hook design is comfortable and secures your earbuds in place, making them ideal for active lifestyles and extended wear without tugging and digging for maximum comfort. Apple's H1 chip. You get Siri support, and the chip also helps battery optimization for longer battery performance. Battery. One of the longest performing batteries in its class with up to 9 hours of continuous playback plus an additional 15 hours from its charge case. Dual audio controls. Each earbud has full volume and track controls, so you don't need your device to adjust your music or remember which earbud does what. If you want earbuds that will stay securely in place for your active lifestyle, then the Powerbeats Pro can't be beat. Plus, they deliver high-performance audio to keep your adrenaline pumping, making them your perfect workout companion. The second product on our list is the Apple AirPods Pro. These are our best earbuds for Apple users. If you're looking for one of the best earbuds that hits all the check marks for great earbuds, including active noise canceling, comfort, great sound quality, and plenty of great features, then the Apple AirPods Pro is the complete package for those already in the Apple ecosystem. Currently priced at $220, the AirPods Pro features Apple's new H1 chip, so you'll find the connection to your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch is instantaneous. The chip also powers Siri, and the AirPods Pro has an always-on Siri feature, which lets you ask for assistance or have Siri automatically speak your incoming messages without having to pull out your phone all the time. The noise canceling may not be the best in the market, but it's still excellent and goes hand in hand with Apple's transparency mode, which lets you easily toggle between the two modes by just pressing and holding the force sensor. The sound quality may not satisfy audiophiles or bass heads, but for the rest, the high dynamic range amplifier and automatic equalization delivers clear mids and highs, so just about every music genre, podcasts, and audiobooks sound great. One frustration you may find is that the AirPods Pro doesn't have any on-ear volume controls, but you can always just ask Siri. The key features are force sensor stems, easily control functions with simple squeezes on the stems. Transparency mode allows some surrounding noise to come through so you can hear traffic or people talking to you. DSP technology, the automatic equalization optimizes and delivers incredibly dynamic sound. Active noise canceling, the AirPods Pro delivers near-perfect noise cancellation. The AirPods Pro may not be industry-leading, but is still considered the gold standard by many. So if you're looking for one of the best earbuds around that delivers on all fronts, then the AirPods Pro are a great option for you. The first product on our list is the Bose Quiet Comfort Buds. These are our best overall earbuds. If you're looking for one of the best noise-canceling wireless earbuds available, then the Bose Quiet Comfort Buds should be on the top of your list. Currently priced at $280, Bose has now taken the best noise-canceling earbud title from Sony. Bose delivers almost the same ANC technology from the renowned Bose 700 over-ear headphones and packs it into the tiny earbuds. So you'll enjoy your music, videos, podcasts, and audiobooks with no distractions. What's also great is that the Quiet Comfort Buds lets you control the level of noise cancellation with 10 adjustable levels instead of just on or off like the Sony WF-1000XM3 and Apple's AirPods Pro. For audiophiles, you'll find the Bose has a slightly better frequency response over the AirPods Pro. It also shares a similar frequency curve as the Bose 700 using Bose's active EQ technology and proprietary drivers to produce warm, pleasant audio. And when it comes to call quality and all your Zoom conferences, the Quiet Comfort earbuds again deliver best-in-class performance. For those used to single, double, and triple taps to control your earbuds, you may find the only double tap functions a bit limiting and frustrating. The key features are noise canceling, best-in-class noise canceling technology with 10 adjustable levels and not just on or off. Sound quality, Bose's active EQ technology and proprietary drivers deliver exceptional audio quality. Native digital assistant, works with Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana, but not Alexa. Call quality, delivers best-in-class performance. If you're looking for the best true wireless earbuds for sound quality and noise canceling, then the new reigning Bose Quiet Comfort Buds are very likely going to be your best choice.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.